Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can undisable Discord account. So first of all, let me quickly disable my Discord profile. Prior to doing that, I have to quickly transfer the server ownership. That's I can do very easily. So now I will disable my account. In order to confirm it, you have to enter password to it. And here I have it. From here, in order to recover, restore, or enable your Discord account back, simply log into it and it will happen automatically. So I'll enter my Discord email address followed by Discord password. As you can see in here, I get the account disabled message. So in here, in order to proceed with the undisabling or enabling, to put it in other words, just tap the restore account option, and here you have it already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.